Okay guys, Bondo here. We are going to be pouring a big barn here tomorrow. This barn's 60 by 80. And the doors here are 12-foot doors, so you can't get a concrete truck in here. They're actually 12.6 without the concrete in. So what we're doing is I got an excavator over here and we dig down these doors so we can drive, and we're building a ramp to get trucks in here. So Circle T actually sent an empty truck over here for us, and we're gonna try to drive that truck in. It's their brand new truck. Their trucks are like 13.3, so we're gonna dig, make sure that these trucks can come in here, so tomorrow we don't have concrete trucks showing up that can't get in here. And this is like 90 yards, so we want to drive in here and make life easy and not have to use a pump and stuff. So that's what we're up to. I'm gonna videotape Big Rob driving in here with the new Circle T truck. Here comes Big Robbie with the Circle T truck. See how he fits. We gotta clear this header right here. Should clear, but we gotta make a little better of a ramp here. Moment of truth. Go back there, Jay. Whoa!
Hold up. Got 6 right there.
You got about 6 inches of clearance right there.
Look down this side.
Can he drive ahead and see? Have him creep ahead a little bit. Keep watching it though. Yeah, have him climb right up there. Big Biscuit's gonna climb right up there and make sure we're clear.
There ain't shit on me. Alright.
Just creep right in slow, Robbie. As soon as he starts coming up is where we're gonna have an issue.
Yeah, but as he comes up, the truck goes down.
Yeah.
That's gonna come up hard, so that's... You still got about a foot here.
Creep in slow. See how it goes.
It's going up quick.
Yeah, we're gonna have to bring that ramp.
Yeah, we'll have to shave it down a little bit.
A little bit, quite a bit.
Back into here.
Yeah, we're gonna have to come out into here with this ramp.
Still got quite a bit there.
Duck your head or you're gonna get hit there. Alright guys, they opened it up a little bit, came in a little bit farther, gave more gradual here. Excavator's just finishing up. Big Robbie gonna drive in here, see how we do, see if we can get it in here. Come on, Big Robbie, let's see what we can do, baby. Get that sweet truck in here. It's nice of Circle T to send the truck over here the day before just to do this. These guys are really accommodating for us, so we really like that. I highly recommend their services if you're in New York State, central New York State. So let's see how we do here. I think it's gonna work this time. Big Biscuit's gonna get right on the truck again. We don't want to hit this door. As the truck comes in, the truck drops down in the back, so we're hoping we can get her nice and easy, nice and slow. Nice. There's, see that lip on the drum too. Yeah, man, he's he cleared. He's clear. Keep an eye on her. Straddle that floor drain. Oh yeah. We're looking good now, huh? Muffler, that's clearing pretty good. Looks like we got her. And that is how you save yourself a lot of money, guys. On we'd had to pump this whole building, so probably at least a couple $1,000 per pump versus digging that down a little bit. Big Robbie, we got her, bud. Awesome. And that truck is empty, so when it's full, it's going to be heavier, but we want to make sure it goes out empty, obviously. We're going to see how far he can reach if he pulls. Now we'll be able to tell here. Right about there. Oh yeah. You put 2 more chutes on there, we're golden, brother. Yep. Only thing is when we jog over to the sides, we got to watch those floor drains. That's going to be the trouble right there. We're kind of dealing with these drains. These drains were not supposed to be in here, but so I guess if he comes in at an angle, that's all right. That worked out better. So now he can reach that side. There's the mud, guys. Here comes the mud. Here it comes down the line. Circle T. I gotta get my boots on, Frank. I ain't even got my boots yet. Jay's going to get them. We forgot our boots today, and the mud's here. Shoot. So we dug this door out, guys, like I showed you in the video. There's Sean. We gotta get down this little chute here. Probably pull them either to the right. You want to do the right over here first? Left? Move those barrels. We got to come right through here. Okay. Yep, that makes sense. Good thinking. See these drains, bud? Go nice and easy. You got that clearance there. You got to kind of go to the left of those drains, all right? Yep, we're going to go down that corner there. Nice and easy. Yes, sir. You're clear. That's why we dug the door down. What's up, brother?
Hey, how you doing?
Good, good, good. We can't hit these drains at all because they're plastic underneath. It'll break them. Your tag axle's dragging there. There we go. First truck's in. First truck's in, guys. I gotta get my boots on. Putting some sealer on here, guys. The backpack sprayer. Gotta go load back up a lot of material. That's what she's looking like. Okay guys, Bondo here. We're here the next day, and I just wanted to show you what we're doing. We're cutting the floor today. So I marked it out. This is a 60 by 80 building, so we marked it out in a 20-foot grid, and that crosses these drains. So it's gonna want to crack at these drains. So there's a drain there at 20 feet. There's a drain here at 20 feet. Then we got everything snapped out. I got the Husqvarna soft cut saw, and we're gonna start that up. Chrissy's over here helping me. And we're gonna cut this thing. It's Sunday. We want to have the rest of the day to ourselves, so we got to get this cut though while it's still green. But you can see how shiny it is with the sealer on it. Come out real nice. Okay guys, it's all cut. The owner of the business here where we're working is gonna go get a soaker hose, and he's just gonna put the water right to it and let it get wet for several days. And so we're not even worried about sweeping this dust off. He's just gonna flood the whole thing. So that's what she looks like, all cut into 20-foot sections with the soft cut. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope you got something out of it. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Hit that subscribe button, bell notification, so you know when we're uploading more videos. And hit me with a comment, whether you like the video or not. Any comment's better than none. Thanks again.